Ka Shillong Commerce College kalapan bana bakan penong i kajinga ko mare thong ka bajinga 10 kilometer ka balong shibenta kajing rakhe kajing dap rupos nam ka college. Habaya keren shakilat thai kubor uba Michael M. Kharkungor, coordinator ka marathon organizing committee, ulay thu bayakan kajinga ko mare on penong hak arpu trik nailar na du ka por henriu bajimin stem kaban sedang na Shillong Commerce College but ya Shillong Yoringham Tan Keti Anjali but one pai biang Shillong Commerce College. Ula pentip bahakan ke jika ko mare thong kandan lai kerdan katai ke bahapo reus nam karta kat reus nam shaneng but san post nam shaneng. Kandan ru kasong pisa nak bentai ke nong job ha ke baka first prize kan long shipawajar tingka, second prize nyawajar san spa tingka, but third prize san hajar tingka.
As part of our Diamond Jubilee celebration, as part of our Shillong Commerce College Diamond Jubilee celebration, we, the Marathon Organizing Committee of the Diamond Jubilee celebration, we are here to announce that we will be organizing the Diamond Jubilee Run to 2026 on 22nd of August. So with our team, Empowering Youth, Strengthening Minds, we are here to announce an initiative that goes beyond a sporting event. It is a movement that seeks to raise awareness about one of the most pressing issues affecting the youth today, that is mental health. Through this event, we aim to send a clear message that mental health matters and that no one should have to struggle alone. This run is more than just a test of physical endurance. It is a symbol of resilience, unity, and collective responsibility. We believe that a healthy society is built on healthy minds, and investing in the mental well-being of our youth is like an investment in the future of our nation. And also to the media, we extend special appeal. We request your support in helping us spread awareness and to reduce the stigma on mental health. And also, as we prepare for this event, we are inviting everyone not only to participate but also to become ambassadors for mental health, be it in your homes, at work, or in your classrooms. So now I'll be sharing some of the details, the logistics of this run. Okay, the run, like I said, it will be held on 22nd of August 2026, and the time is 6 a.m. The mode of registration, it is online. It's through online mode, and anyone who is wishing to register themselves can visit our the official page of Shillong Commerce College on Instagram, or they can contact us, and we can send the registration link through WhatsApp. The run, it is 10-kilometer run, and we are giving cash prizes to the winners, with the first prize being 10,000 rupees, second prize 7,500 rupees, and the third prize is 5,000 rupees. And also we have different categories for this run. The first category being under 16, the second category above 16 years, and the third category above 50. And also the duration of this run is 1.5 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes. So we will also be giving finisher medals to those who finish this run within this stipulated time, that is 1 hour 30 minutes. We will be giving medals, certificates, and e-certificates also. Okay, so the starting and finishing point of this run will be from Shillong Commerce College only. And we will be covering areas from Shillong Commerce College. We will be going to Limekra. Then Limekra will be going to Fire Brigade. Fire Brigade, then Dan Kiti, then Barik Point, then we will take a loop near the Angeles Cinema loop. Then from that, we will be returning to the same route. Then back to Shillong Commerce College.
It is just a one-day run, right?
It is a, sorry?
It is just for 1 day.
Yeah, it is a one-day run.
So there is a registration fee?
The registration fee is 100 rupees, and anyone who wishes to register themselves, they can, like I said, they can register through online mode by scanning the QR code which we have here. In this flyer, we have this QR code. One is for the registration link, and one is for the WhatsApp group. So for anyone wishing to register themselves, they can scan this QR code, and if also they have any difficulties scanning this QR code, they can reach us directly, be it through our Instagram page, Shillong Commerce College official Instagram page, or they can just contact us through the phone numbers that we have provided here in the poster.